In speaking about just injustice against the self, the Holy Quran tells us one of the greatest forms of injustice is what? Is shirk, is to ascribe partners to Allah. Or atheism, to deny the existence of Allah. Why is that a great act of injustice? Some people wonder, why does the Quran say, as Luqman told his son, إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ? Why? What's the big deal? Allah has nothing to lose. Whether I worship Him or I don't worship Him. Whether I recognize His existence or I do not. What difference does it make, really? Will there be any changes in the universe? Allah has nothing to lose. When the human being does not recognize his creator, Allah, the King of the universe, he's committing the greatest act of injustice against himself. How? Because you are disconnecting yourself from the most powerful being in the universe, from the most merciful being in the universe. From the most important reality, you're denying yourself the privilege of being connected to the source of all goodness in the universe. That's the greatest act of injustice that any human being can do to himself. Those who do not worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's their loss. They're the losers. And therefore, this act is actually against their own selves. إِنَّ الشِّرْكَ لَظُلْمٌ عَظِيمٌ.